Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here. My name is Dicky and this is my first attempt at making a video for YouTube. This channel is going to primarily focus on this game, Top Golf, developed by WGT or the World Golf Tour. Or did I get that the other way around? WGT developed by Top Golf. It's a game I picked up somewhere post-lockdown. I've been playing it for a few months now as a stress buster. It was just a pastime initially, and then slowly I began to understand it, and I kind of got hooked, and I started liking it, and I've gotten pretty good at it as well. I have worked my way from a level 1 player to a level 97 right now, and started off as a hack tier and moved to amateur and pro and then tour pro and then master, tour master, and I'm now at the legend tier. Pretty immersive game, pretty realistic, if you ask me, and pretty fun too. And what I'm doing today for my first video is I'm playing a coin room match, which is basically 3 holes for about 2.5 million coins, WGT coins. And if you see the sides of the screen, you'd have noticed it blinking, which means I got a pretty good shot. It's called a heartbeat in this, and the moment you get a heartbeat, it's a pretty good shot. Yeah. So we're playing 3 random holes on this course that the game has chosen for us. It's Pinehurst. It's a golf course, and all of these golf courses are real golf courses, pretty realistic. They're located around the world. And oh, I didn't even notice, the game has matched me with a tour champion. That's the highest tier that pretty much everyone has on WGT that's possible. Well, there is a Hall of Fame tier, but in all of WGT there's just one player who's in the Hall of Fame tier. So tour champion is pretty much the highest tier that you can go to. So see, anyone who's got a affinity for basic mathematics can actually pick up this game, which is why I think I've gotten better at it. And most Indians, and sorry I'm stereotyping here, I know it's a real stereotype, but most Indians should be able to play this game easily. Knowledge of golf can come later. It's good to know, but not absolutely necessary to start learning to play the game. Basically, the hole that we just finished, average for that hole is 4 shots, meaning you should be able to make that hole in 4 shots. And if you look at the scorecard, both of us did it in 3 shots, so we took 1 shot less, and that's called a birdie. If we had done it in 2 shots less, it would have been called an eagle, right? So here's an example of a heartbeat. You look at the sides of the screen, it's blinking, and he's put me under immediate pressure. He's a tour champion, so he's been playing this for much longer than I have. Sorry guys, I just stopped talking for a bit because I kind of needed to concentrate. It's a very dangerous hole. You kind of need to get this right, or you can easily go over the hole and land in the sand. Now I didn't get a heartbeat, which meant I'm not as close as him. He's 10 feet or less, and it's left me a long distance for a putt. This is where I need to tap it and roll it into the hole. So if you look here on the left hand side where the pointer is, you can see the green speed is fast, and every game has different green speeds that you need to know, and that'll tell you how hard you need to hit the ball ideally. Okay, let's see how this goes. Yep, I needed it a little left. Here's hoping he misses, but I think from the spot that he's landed in, there's very less break, and it's actually a pretty straight putt. So all those dots that you saw on the ground, oh, he's missed it as well. Well, lucky me. All those dots that you see on the ground, that's basically telling you how the ball would roll, but and you got to make adjustments accordingly. But it's a little difficult because sometimes you see the dots moving in all kinds of directions. Yeah. So if you look here where the pointer is, you can see he's hitting for par, which means average. Par is the average for that hole, and this is a par 3, meaning you can make this hole in 3 shots, and that's what we've both done, right? Which club is he in? So if I click on the player profile, okay, English Golf Club, that's actually pretty much one of the top clubs that's out there, and he's a tour champion, so he's definitely a good player, and this club has recruited him. So you look at the scorecard, both of us have taken 3 shots there. We also took 3 shots for the previous hole, but the par on that was 4, so we played better on that hole. Okay, do or die. It all depends on the wind here. And I think I've played this guy before. Good win. So here's a trick that you guys can see here. While this game is really very realistic, of course there are a few bugs in development that can be taken advantage of. So you see the direction he's taking, I'm going to be taking the same direction. He's actually going to be hitting through the trees, which in real life wouldn't happen. You're bound to hit one of the trees and get stuck in the woods, in the pines. Oh, it's showing that he's landed on the fairway, which is pretty unreal because I just saw him land in the dust. Maybe he didn't hit it hard enough, I don't know. Hit a little early, but maybe that was better for me. Okay. So this one's 61 with a slight bit of an uphill, and I've got a little bit of tailwind, meaning the wind is behind me, and if I look at the green here, I can see the dots primarily moving towards the left. So I'm just gonna move this slightly to the right, and I'm just gonna give it a little bit of backspin, and I'm gonna punch this and hope that I'm close. Yeah, so I get the heartbeat. Ooh, almost made it, guys. Okay. So he's going to play a pretty similar shot, and he's going to land close by, and both of us are going to make birdies on this, I'm pretty certain. And what will happen after that is it's going to take us to a tiebreaker. Pretty interesting situation. He didn't get a heartbeat, but he's going to land close, right? Pretty interesting situation for my first YouTube video upload, eh? Oh, he'll make this. There's no question about that. I might miss. I'm talking so much. Okay, so you see it gave him a birdie because he did it in one stroke less. And you see it says putt to tie. So I need to make this putt to be able to tie, and I'm just going to jam it in. I'm not going to talk much about the technique or details because I know that some of you may know about the game, some of you may not know about the game. So at this point of time, for this video, it's all about fun. Okay, the tiebreaker, guys, is all about who hits it closer to the hole. Okay? And this is going to be interesting. Whoever hits it closer to the hole wins. And I don't like this distance. It's the club that I'm most unfamiliar with, and I hope there's some elevation or some height to this that's going to increase the distance. He's using 7 iron, so, well, his 8 iron, so that tells me something about this. And if you see a heartbeat or the sides of the screen go blink blink, which it has not. Okay, so maybe I have a chance. But you look at the left of the green here, guys, that's a trap. I can go down there quite easily. Okay, it says 146, 2 yards up, 148. So he played a little safe. This is pretty straight. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. I'm gonna go with my 9 iron and 148. So I'm gonna use about that much spin. Just go for it, guys. Yep, I got a heartbeat, and I'm gonna win this game. So pretty successful. Ooh, that was close, eh, guys? Pretty good shot. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.